Click on the link below to get price. The Sony FE 12-24mm F2.8 GM ultra-wide zoom lens, SEL1224GM, is a remarkable piece of engineering that caters to both professionals and serious enthusiasts in the world of photography. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the impressive build quality. The lens boasts a robust design, featuring weather sealing that ensures durability in challenging environments, making it ideal for outdoor shooting. One of the standout features of this lens is its constant f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range. This allows for exceptional low-light performance, giving photographers the ability to capture stunning images in dimly lit settings without needing to increase ISO levels excessively. The sharpness at the center and corners of the frame is commendable, maintaining impressive detail even at wider apertures. The ultra-wide zoom range of 12 to 24 mm provides incredible versatility, whether you're shooting landscapes, architecture, or even astrophotography. The lens excels in creating dramatic perspectives, allowing you to capture expansive scenes without distortion, a common issue with ultra-wide lenses. The optical design includes advanced elements that minimize chromatic aberrations and flaring, resulting in images with vibrant colors and high contrast. Autofocus performance is another area where this lens shines. With fast and accurate focusing, it seamlessly tracks moving subjects, making it suitable for dynamic shooting situations. The lens is also relatively lightweight for its class, which enhances portability without compromising on performance. While the price point might seem steep, the quality and consistency of the results justify the investment. This lens pairs beautifully with Sony's full-frame cameras, and users will appreciate the excellent compatibility with various shooting styles. Overall, the Sony FE 12-24mm F2.8 GM is a top-tier lens that delivers outstanding performance, making it a worthy addition to any photographer's kit, especially for those who value precision and versatility in their work.